Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more exciting ideas. As today I'm gonna share another awesome idea for Christmas craft. I'm gonna make a Easter card today. I'm gonna use a cheap pink A4 sheet, white A4 sheet attached at the center on the top of the card, and it looks like this. Follow my steps one by one to make a beautiful Easter card. I'm gonna made already for Easter tag, Easter bunny and some flower. I'm gonna use a white paint on this A4 paper, and now I'm cutting this flowers and bunnies too. I'm making these things like flower and Easter bunny or Easter tag for the shortage of time. This work I'm gonna make these little things late night because I have not more time for this work during making the video, because these little things take much more time. Now I'm gonna take this card and paste it over here. Firstly, I'm gonna make a little envelope for the Easter tag. I'll paste all the thing all over here on a card one by one. Need a green color marker for making its leaves. Flowers are not good looking without leaves. That's why I'm gonna make some leaves over here and near also to the bunny for Easter grass. Now I'm gonna make Easter tag finally, and my card is going to end. Hopefully you like it. our Easter card got ready. It's one of my favorite Easter cards in my projects. Hopefully you like it. Bye bye. Happy Easter.